Hello, 4th standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson weight. Now we will discuss about addition and subtraction. It's ordinary addition and subtraction. Just we are putting kg, gram. That's all. Okay. So first you write the numbers. Arrange them. So 7 kg 325 gram, 9 kg 414 gram. So you put kg, gram, 7 kg and 325 gram, 9 kg 414 gram. Now you add 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Now 7 plus 9 means 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. So you got 16 kg and 739 gram. Okay. Hope everyone know how to do addition and subtraction, isn't it? Addition at least, that you are confident, isn't it? Now 8 plus 5. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, next 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 13. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So the final answer is 50 kg and 533 grams. Clear? Now coming to 42 kg, 634 gram, 51 kg, 523 gram. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So the answer is 94 kg and 175 gram. Now coming to question number D. 37, 86 gram. Now you have to be careful. See, 86 gram. I had told you in gram section you have to have 3 digits, isn't it? So 86. So 86 दो ही डिजिट, तो 86 इधर लिखने का नहीं, तो 3 डिजिट आने का, इसके लिए 8 के लेफ्ट में एक 0 डालने का. याद रखो 86 इधर लिख के राइट साइड में एक 0 डालोगे, इट बिकम्स 860. 860. सो वैल्यू चेंज हो गया. सो 86 है तो लेफ्ट में 0 डालोगे, वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है, इसके लिए 86 इधर लिखेंगे और लेफ्ट में 0 डालेंगे. ठीक है, ये पहले का हम वर्कशीट में देखे हैं ना, कैसे 0 रहेगा तो भी 0 0 2 रहेगा तो इट इज 2 ग्राम, ऐसे मैं बताई थी, तो वैसे. सो 86 रहेंगे तो 86 लिखो, द लेफ्ट साइड में हमें 0 डालने का. नाउ 6 प्लस 4, 10. नाउ 1 प्लस 9, 10. 10 प्लस 8, 18. 1 plus 8, 9. Now 9 plus 7, it is 16. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Please, all of you, the arrangement, you should be careful. Now coming to the question E, there are 3 numbers. So 2 kg, 310. 5 kg, 426. 6 kg, 485. Now you add 6 plus 5, 10, 11. Now 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 kg and 221 gram. Now coming to the next question, 62 kg, 5 gram. Now 5 gram, how will you write? 0, 0, 5. Now 71 kg and 52 gram, 0, 5, 2. And 11 kg and 529 gram. Okay. So please be careful while arranging the numbers. Now 9 plus 2, 10, 11 plus 1, 11 plus 5, 16. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8. Now here it is 5. Here 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 10, 14. So you got 14 kg and 586 gram. Everyone understood? So here two sums, you should be careful how to arrange the grams. Okay. Now coming to the subtraction. Find the difference. So all of you remember, to find the sum means addition, to find the difference subtraction, to find the product multiplication, to find the quotient division. Okay, to find the difference. Now in difference, you should remember the bigger number should be written up. Now in this, which is the bigger number? Which you have to see? Kg side. You have to see. So 8 kg 475 and 3 kg 1862 gram. So 8 kg ऊपर आने का 3 kg नीचे. 8 kg और उसका जो भी ग्राम है वो ऊपर. फिर 8. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Now 8 minus 3, 5. So you got 5 kg and 313 gram. Okay. Now here, second question, you see 13 kg 95 gram and 31 kg 296 gram. So 13 and 31, which is bigger? 31. So you write 31 up, 31 kg 296, then 13 kg 95 gram. How will you write? 095. 95 will be written 095. Now 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Now 1 minus 3. Not possible. Go to the left, cut 3, write 2. Go to the right, cut 1, write 11. Now how to subtract? 10 in hand, 11, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. How much is remaining? 8. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 18 kg and 201 gram. Okay. Now 42 kg and 26 kg. So this one only we will be writing first. 42 kg 675 gram. 26 kg 439 gram. Now 5 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So go to the left, cut 7, write 6. Go to the right, cut 5, write 15. Now 10 in hand, then 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 6. Now 6 minus 3, it is 3. 6 minus 4, 2. Now 2 minus 6, not possible. Go to the left, cut 4, write 3. Go to the right, cut 2 and write 12. 12 minus 6, 10 in hand, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is remaining? 6. then 2 minus 1, 2 or 3 minus 2 is 1. So you got 16 kg and 236 gram. Okay. Now coming to the question D. Now 9 kg and 12 kg. So which one you have to write first? 12 kg, isn't it? So 12 kg, 178 gram, 9 kg, 439 gram. Now 8 minus 9, not possible. Go to the left, cut 7, write 6. Go to the right, cut 8, write 18. Now 10 in hand, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 9. Now 6 minus 3, it is 3. Now 1 minus 4, is it possible? No. So you go to the left, cut 2, write 1. Go to the right, cut 1, write 11. Now 11 minus 4. So what will you do? 10 in hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is remaining? It is 7. Now 1 minus 9. Again, not possible. Go to the left, cut 1, write 0. Go to the right, cut 1, write 11. Now 11 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 2. It is 2 kg. Understood? Those who don't know the subtraction, please at least now you learn how to subtract. Now 2 minus 1 minute. 99 kg, 120 kg. So which one has to be written first? 120 kg. So 120 kg, 372 gram. 99 kg, 561 gram. Now 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 5, not possible. Go to the left. Nothing is there. Go to the left. Cut 2, write 1. Go to the right. Cut 0, write 10. Again cut 10, write 9. Go to the right. Cut 3, write 13. Whenever 0 is there, you have to go to the next left number, isn't it? So 13. So 10 in hand, 3, 4, 5. How much is remaining? 8. Now 9 minus 9, 0. Now 1 minus 9, not possible. Go to the left, cut 0, cut 1, write 0. Go to the right, cut 1, write 11. Now 11. 10 in hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 2. It is 2 kg and 811 gram. Now coming to the last question, it is a 150 kg and 110 kg. So 150 only you will be writing first. So 150 kg, 750 gram, 110 kg, 950 gram. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 9, not possible. Go to the left, nothing is there. Go to the left, cut 5, write 4. Go to the right, cut 0, write 10. Now from here again you have to take. So cut 10, write 9. Go to the right, cut 7, write 17. Okay, now 10 in hand, 7. Isn't it? 17 में 10 in hand, 7, 8, 9. How much is remaining? 8. Now 9 minus 0, it is a 9. 4 minus 1, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. So left hand most, so don't write. So it will be 39 kg and 800 gram. सबको समझ में आ गया है? सब्ट्रैक्शन में कैसे लेफ्ट से आप लोग 10 राइट में लेके जाते हैं, है ना? तो 10 हाथ में जो उसका राइट में, अगर इधर 17 कैसे पकड़ने का? 10 हाथ में पकड़ने का, 7 को बोलकर 9 तक आप लोगों को आगे बढ़ने का। 7, 8, 9, 4 बचा 8। क्लियर? कोई कोई बच्चों को इवन 4th 5th स्टैंडर्ड तक भी सब्ट्रैक्शन समझ में नहीं आता है। प्लीज ऐसे मत करो। 4th तक आप लोगों को एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन आने का ही है, क्योंकि 5th के बाद आप लोग हायर लेवल के आगे नए टॉपिक्स पढ़ते हैं, तो इसी में आप लोग रहने का नहीं। सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड आप लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंट बना के रखो। प्लीज ट्राई practice more and more sums and be confident about the topic, all the 4: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. ठीक है? Okay then, bye, thank you, take care.